like to refer one statement given by the leader of Kashmir, about this ordinance in which he praised the President of Pakistan that he has courageously taken this step at this moment about Ahmadiyya community to stop the call of prayer by Ahmadiyya community, all these things. On the other hand, in the same statement, he asked the President in the same manner, in the same courage, he should make a general election immediately. That means, on the one hand, he stopped the call of prayer by Ahmadiyya community, and then he called the President to call the general election immediately. What is the relation between a religious denomination in Pakistan and this political call of general election? I'm sorry.
Better put this question to Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan. The question was that he read a statement by Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan. Sardar Abdul Qayyum or Khan, I don't know whether Khan is epithet or not, but let's call it Sardar Abdul Qayyum. First of all, congratulating Sadr Ziaul for this bold and wise step about enemies. And in the same breath, he demanded that now be courageous enough to hold the general elections as well. So he asked me what was the relationship between these two observations. I said, ask Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan. He would know better.